All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So, of course, of course, putting emphasis on something. Of course we will go there. We will go there. Of course we will go there. I know the answer. I know the answer. Of course. He knows what he is doing, of course. He knows what he's doing, of course, yeah. Of course, I am teaching now. Of course, I will be recording today. I will be recording today. Of course, I will be recording today. Yeah. He was, of course, the master. He was the master. He was, of course, the master. I am, of course, the teacher. Of course, I'm the teacher. The teacher, yeah. Of course I am. Yeah. Yeah. I am, of course, learning from the best. Yeah. You are learning, of course, from the best too. How cool is that? Of course you know. Of course you know the answer. Of course you know where he is. But where will he be tomorrow? Of course you know, but where will they be tomorrow? Of course you know them. Of course you know them. But how are they today? How are they today? Of course. Emphasis on something. Of course I know the answer. Of course I've been there. Of course I know what I'm doing. Of course it's a nice sunny day. It is a nice sunny day. Of course it's a nice sunny day. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use of course in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.